good morning. Start with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Our today's topic is most relevant to our previous topic that was Chipotle, mild Chipotle sauce. Now we are talking about the homemade Chipotle Ranch Dressing. Yeah, exactly what do you listen? That is exactly the same keyword, homemade Chipotle Ranch Dressing. So, what is Chipotle Ranch made of? Chipotle Ranch is made of chipotle peppers, lime juice, herbs, sour cream, and mayonnaise. It has the right amount of zest, herbiness, and tang to dress up a salad or to use as a dip with the raw veggies. So, how we can make Chipotle Ranch regular ranch? Simply put, mix dry ranch dressing mix with the milk, mayonnaise, and chipotle peppers. Because you are using whole peppers, I highly recommend using a mini food processor to get a smooth dressing. Ranch dressing is basically it's a combination of creaminess from buttermilk, sour cream, sometimes mayonnaise, and herbaceousness, often parsley, thyme, dill, plus a long pull of allium, which is onion and garlic, and a shot of black pepper. So, Chipotle Ranch also doesn't use eggs. Must remember this that we do not use eggs in the any type of chipotle sauce or chipotle homemade chipotle ranch dressing. So, how do you make chipotle ranch? Chipotle ranch is made of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce for smoky, spicy chipotle flavor. Apple cider vinegar for extra tang, garlic powder, onion powder, and dried dill. They give the dressing its savory, ranchy flavor, and sea salt to make all the flavors pop. If I talk about the ingredients of Chipotle Ranch dressing, there are simple ingredients you can use to make Chipotle Ranch dressing at home. That's what we call it, homemade Chipotle Ranch dressing. Chipotle Ranch dressing is a favorite dressing or dip perfect for the salads, fries, or even pizza crusts. And Chipotle Ranch dressing bases used mayonnaise, sour cream, and milk give the dressing its rich and smooth base. And seasonings, fresh lime juice, and cilantro add a bright fresh flavor. I also like to add parsley, garlic, and onion powder. Chipotle peppers are the basic and main ingredients. These peppers are smoked, dried jalapenos, and they can be purchased in a can in adobo sauce. This makes them easy to chop and add to your favorite dressing and sauces. They have a nice smoky flavor and a bit of heat. So, how to make Chipotle Ranch dressing? It doesn't get much easier than two very simple steps. Number one, whisk all of the ingredients in a bowl until thoroughly combined. Number two, pour into a container and chill at least 2 hours before serving. The main at the end dip tip to turn this from a dressing to a dip. Skip on the milk. This will make the mixture nice and thick. Perfect for dipping your favorite air fryer French fries. So that was the main topic today we have discussed. In the next video we will come with the next keyword and next topic. Thank you very much.